Hello YouTube, this is an unboxing video for the Zomei 18-inch LED ring light. I ordered this ring light from Amazon. I was a little worried about the quality of a brand that I had never bought a product from before. The product looked on most pages just like the newer ring light, so I thought I'd give it a try. So come along and we'll open it up and see what it's like. The ring light comes well packaged in a simple carry case, and the one I ordered has a tripod included. The tripod got stuck in the bottom of the case, so I had to shake it to get it out. So there we go, that's the whole thing. So it's both the tripod, it's the AC adapter and the carry case with the ring light inside. So here is the AC adapter. I ordered the EU version, and the adapter has 6 holes for screws to be able to mount it to a wall. I don't know whoever would need to use 6 screws to mount it on a wall though. Opening up the carry case, we can see the ring light inside, and we take it out and it's packaged in a bubble foam. Inside the bag there's also a pocket. In this pocket there are mounts for cameras and for a cell phone. Something that's good about this cell phone mount is that it can be mounted to any camera mount. And you can mount it from the back or on the lower end of the mount. So you can screw it on whichever way you would like it to fit. And using this little adapter, you can also make it a ball head where you can tilt and turn it, twist it as you like. So there we have the ring light unboxed, and we can see the diffuser on the ring light. On the back side, we have both the mount for putting this on the tripod. This mount is tilt only, back and forth. You cannot tilt it sideways. We have 2 dials on the back. One of them is the power dial, and that one is what powers it on and dims the light as well. On the right hand side we have the color, the Kelvin. You could have a warm light or a cold light. In the middle you have the AC adapter output. The turning knobs are actually really good, and I was surprised that they felt as good as they did when turning them. In the top we have a mount for a wall mount if you want to mount it on a wall, and in the middle of the ring we have a hot shoe mount for your camera, where you can mount your camera, or for the cell phone holder as well. If you've gotten this far, I would be super grateful if you hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications when my next video is out, where I will upload more videos just like this one. Let's get on with the video. So here we got the tripod, and I have not unfolded it. If we are looking at the ring light, the bottom part is only a big hole. It is not meant to actually go on top of this tripod. So I was kind of bummed out to find this. It is a hole that you just put over this knob and then tighten the knob in the back of the ring light. I would have rather seen a camera mount on the bottom of the ring light. Here I'm turning the ring light on and dimming it just to show the feature of dimming. It's super easy by just turning the knob in the back. And here I'm demonstrating the warmth change of the light. I was surprised that the LEDs themselves does not change color, but rather there's a second rows of LED that blend when you're trying to change the color. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to check out link to this product in the description below. Also, you can check me out on twitch.tv/TheRealVariousGaming, where I'm streaming almost every night. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.